problem we na. E Facebook we ana gwalige that is a Facebook Enogie ma we do ona. E Facebook we ana gwalige baby things here. Ego no we ya devini baby things. E Facebook we ana gwalo. Ekwemu we. Every time no the lads and we know yeah your way. What is really your problem? You think it's all about speaking English? Do you think it's all about speaking English? What is wrong with you? Where total where total? A Facebook na uji. We all do all that for no biena. No lad do Jojan but to wula na do debug any una fieria werie. Una fieria werie we boy ni do disgrace you. O bia no bia no ayen de no be omo enyo gbuwe a we respect gbuwe. We have one gbuwe gwan according to you we ma no gbuwe gwan. We tell ukweniyan. We have ni kana eti an wa gbuwe gwan. Inwune gbuwe mamu. I can remind you what you said about me. Mamiamia. Inye me no tell about me. Ima la don't reply well. Ula that the other day we are doing I to know. When it's a von is una bed down a go ni senre. We to a verse no gain we are go emma and then not gonna get ya go emma. And no get my lad down the anywhere. Or my lad down one day or tell us will not say we are to zoo because we man because oh was jarring no one was jarring no one. Me ma we hammer there. Me ma we run over hammer. What is wrong with you? Is it all about speaking English? You can speak English, but you cannot write good. You cannot write correctly, but you can speak. Nigeria. You school in UK. So I'm not proud of it that you go azebo. I'm not proud of it because you school in UK. Anybody not J school, he or she must know how to speak German. She must know how to speak Italian because she went to school. Likewise you. English is a popular language in UK. So I don't see any big deal in it that you are speaking it to aware. Well, you are the best. And Facebook we are not gwalige baby things here. Did I insult you? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Are you mad? I don't work bad. What face you? I will face you double. You dare not try me. This is a woman to woman. Kenya may go out to a good result, but I will tell you your life history. What is wrong with you? What way? I feel we are not going to momo. Where marriage? Sagamu where you? Everybody go do marriage or they do honeymoon, but now sagamu you call they do. And Facebook when I were honeymoon or where? I talked to you, I didn't insult you. I didn't insult you. My tear boy, when I come in like this morning, say sort of rubbish. The high blood pressure boy, I respected boy, I can know who are. Go see who me see the support, who me see the joy, who me see the pity for. No, it's not the pity, not the pity herself. Because now Facebook money you want to buy baby things. Now Facebook money you want gather the show so no want buy house. Now Facebook money you want to buy papas. Now Facebook money you want to buy milk. Now Facebook money you want to shoot for your boyfriend pocket because you may marry boyfriend anything you are not yet married. You get married with my behavior now. Because uzua. Because uzua. Please don't tell me to stop. I always get it too much. Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? You get sensitive work bar. Did I insult you? When my lord them and I there not go marry a dosi guan. Not do guan. They do it this, they do it this, you dare to do this. When that lady come out, when that beautiful lady come out, she won't go reply you. She insults you, say, why you go advise me? Why you go talk to me? Why you go advise me? When you talk to Enogie that they say, Enogie, the way you talk to people is not nice. This is people. This is people. Becoming the when Enogie come out, Enogie insult you. What is your fucking problem? What the fuck is wrong with you? They know a fucking problem where. They know a fucking problem where. You know, Mary those. The way you do your things, let you be careful, man. People will be proud of you. People will be proud of you. You don't get yourself I say, I love this so much. The way you are doing your work, I love it. You know how to do your job. You know how to do expression. Look at your person you did the other day. He's on dance. He's does this. He come and insult you when he want to reply you. When Mary does one call reply you, that woman, he come and insult you, say, who be you when you go advise her? You not respected boy, can you not more bogboy because who respected boy, you don't respect yourself. I make a more go on phone now. Come on, we go, I saga marry me, hawa. But through Okbia, ni bien at what that for me, and the saga la but anyway, what to boo now? I feel the pain where Okbia marrying and one more year. I believe that I cannot get to do what they do because he's a man, he don't know how pregnancy be, he don't know how he be. Because I wish now woman, maybe are you be the woman. But what are you jaggy boy? You zaggy boy. We have ugume guane. So I don't interfere on people's business because you have talked to me before we got that from Gwanet. So I have every right to talk to you because you started the OT first. You started the OT first. You started it first. What one I always a guy me nata. And the muffin when you're one more, and then you're come. Don't know Zua, man, get to ya with saga. No get now we get lawyer cooking work and no get lawyer cooking work and no get here 1 year. And no get here 1 year, no we get lawyer cooking work and ugly lawyer cooking work and oh we are the mafia south but no your mono. Oh, Saba, the Murphy king of the Monoma, the Murphy where Nyoria Monway, Nyoria couldn't. Anyway, you as you can say, would you quit Poggy? Would you quit Poggy? You can't want a pause your more conwena. A pause your more conway. I ain't yet them annoy away. I couldn't say my say her because Uriah Luavekita. Oh, I see hooking. I want to yell me a kia hooking Uriah Lua for we are Piete. We are theatre, no theatre hooking, ne po. Why we go mozuo now? That way too Why we go mozuo now? Now we na de bama koko. Let it na fa vacation. Asin yan ko wiru yan awuri. Wiru yan awui. Are you mad? Are you crazy? The respect gbe. Oni mu, uya ke sagamu. Wo ye marriage uya kan wa. They marriage I will marriage na do azu on Facebook. Me marry baba na me marry. They marriage I will marriage na do azu on Facebook. Me marry because who was one. No ya marry. No ya we marriage ne so we marriage. It said where my gba. It sound where my gba. You will come out, we advise someone, nobody will take it personal. But when someone talk to you okay, no who you will take it personal. No who are. You will take it personal who are. Who nice person help? Who nice person help? Who nice person help? You were pretending to be a nice. Who nice person help? Nake we nice. So nake we nice. You are me ever. Nake we nice. You are me ever. So it's when they find the nice. When they do nice woman. Wait till you get inside. What have you achieved by being nice? If you want to be nice, having a good heart is all about nice. When you have a good heart, you are a nice person. I have a good heart. I don't jealous person. I don't jealous person. I don't plan evil against person. If you plan evil that one, you did the one you go bo. So that is how to know a nice person. When you are not jealous of person, when you know the heavy person, when you know the take person they go to Jew house, your heart is clean. That is nice woman. Not me. Try to be nice to you. I don't want to be nice to you. I can never be nice to you. You that is washing. I said my heart is clean. I'm a nice woman, okay? Did they worry you? What did they worry you? You talk to Enogie that day. You want to reply. You like say only say girl now I don't want. See I don't want. I don't like a pregnancy sitters all worry. Or more worry. Leave one. Enogie not talk to you. When me get belle, you talk to me. Oh, you talk to me. You talk to my husband. Who not saga man? Who not saga? Who might go so we be walk way. I have nothing against you. I not get you for mind. I talked to you yesterday. Say, Eniya una bugbe. I not say I'm the best. They still do it to me, but your is too much. Umwe kola di amwe bugbe ko. Oh, men na people see they curse me. They don't know how the belle be. They don't know how big rich, but your is obvious. Yeah, waiting me can't tell you when you come back when they speak when you come and call advice for Mary those you come and call reply you as insults. Why can't you get sense? Where? I want no more calling out of frustration or when they but when you hear where I bet you where respected where Woman me wa wetia o. Woman me real life in Ajesha. A real life in Ajesha one we like you we like you go want to say who are you? Who are you too? Who are you too? Who just go London say you not know how to speak English again. They not go put you for bed when they flog you. I can't go school for German and say I no know how to speak German. Your English is not as big deal because you studying it. You study. You study. You have to improve. For the English, improve because you studying it. Improve. My improve. Bonnie. Try improve. Try no improve. Try improve. Enogie, I just want to talk to you because the way you address person, is not a nice thing. It's not the real thing. The way you address person, this is not nice. It's not to address person. Do it when you go and be address someone. Did the Enogie came out and insult you? Enogie loves the doctor that don't see a born where. He wanted to do it, but I tell him to stop. I beg him to stop because you are pregnant. I don't know where a pregnant, no man, they know who are working. We are most go more we are me or more. The name in the Facebook, you know, the live Facebook. Let me write it. Ni remedy we kuna gunwe. Ni remedy we. Because no nega, no mamma. Unya ite ni okpa unu. Me gwari emi yoriyo but. Oh, man, I will know the. Oh, man, I will not go no day. I join no day. Kunaka guao. Who can feel good, but he must say away because you want to always saga, but in a way, doctor, ya when you way. I make no boost say when you. Okay, sir. Where was your near? Nije were, Nije, it's Saturday when he key. Ni sa me yonu ye ni ajo enyo rie no la dia wonu we u tell enyo me say 6 months you na awon we wasi ma mu eko ne no gwe ne wo wa oni yoja wo wa wasi oni una talele ne mi una talo ni ha awo sun de ni mu eko no ko no no ya step down. Wa mage category pa yen ya je wo ikan meka we o ma be no be ladin Enogie, stop all this thing you are doing. You never avenge yourself say you won't get belle me you stop what you they do. If your boyfriend they do the thing now your husband your baby father I'll say now man I saw Enogie still do you know they don't know pain when they if woman get belle now so Enogie still do one. They don't know what you they feel. They don't know what you they pass through. Now be waiting they try to tell you. I'm not saying I'm the best, I'm perfect, or nobody saga me when I get belly. They saga me, but the saga was coming through my man. The saga was coming through my man, not from me, by myself. It was coming through my man. Now what I try to tell you yesterday, say your husband, I know they do live video. The saga that is coming through you by yourself that is doing live video. Can't you have sense? When and where? The way I get belly that day, that will be doing the saga by myself. My husband will go work. My husband go work there. Yeah, and they do the saga by myself. Or they cut me the tear but not echo. That is what you are doing. You are doing the saga by yourself. That is what I'm also trying to tell you, that by doing it by yourself, stop it. You are pregnant. Stop it. You come out this morning and call the talk anyhow. Like who don't get sense, like who not of a break, lose come out. You they mad? And then they work bar. I wanna wear your mom by more cocoa. Oh, go on the way, la master. Magawa so na eka mi go on the king. Oh, this so na ya took where you go. You go on the cloth for where they set fire put. Oh, this took more you go. Awa na iladnya, awa oviena, awa ogomada na no took more mana, or ogomada na jegbe you know to boy. That is what you just did now. What jegbe you know? Enu ladnya nu where genora, even nu wo ege. All those one not they think amo, and not they feel amo, na they feel amo. No one of any love in my home. You come out, you came out, you were doing. I was asking now when the Murphy win your mona. When no him mo ukbo iwo, when no him mo be club iwo. And the Murphy your mona one who soon. Ekya, got more can no man better no who. I if it's we now. Oh, tia bonu wege. Minute the Murphy win your mona. You got one more. You got mweko yukbo. If I win your swear, I the same place we were eating together, and they said they have proof. I was carrying my pregnancy to road work. Are you exactly? Are you mad? Your turn, no who? Oh, don't tell now. We are not making the lads of the Afghan now. We're married not out. Or like hot pepper soup. 1 hour ago. Imagine why we go when I see I other from where see I. A man, you know, oh, like a new one, a magba, a bame done again. Oh, why you know, what me and why if you don't make an army go out the baby things. Oh, why you know, you can't risk Maya, Yado is Sagane. Oh, why you know, okay, when I have me whether you when I have said where I shall go wherever said where. Oh, why you know, where do you buy your wa? Wherever said where. Well, why you know what again? No, why? But why you know what? Why you know? Oh, I've asked me to do this. Only one of them want another way. Not the way. Where we are vessel, Emma. Why maybe a vessel? That is not her. That is not her. You go school for London. You know not to speak English before. That is not her. Okay, over here, oh, I over here, kid. You go be a kid to we say. You go be a kid. I call you a kid. I call you a kid working away. Where the boy is not working. It's because the boy is not working. Saga baby. It's because the boy is not working. That is why no, different because we are the insult to give me. But what is the insult to give? What is the insult to give, boy? You are bringing the insult by yourself. B. I'm not the right person to advise her. Is she the right person to? Is she the right person to advise Enogie? Are you people mad? Are you people mad? Is she the right person to? Is she the right person to advise Enogie? Is she the right person to advise Enogie? Are you all mad? Is she the first person to advise Enogie? Are people not wait for the advice Enogie? Say what they do me stop her. What they do me stop her. You know like what they advise people. Are you people mad? Why so what? Are you people mad?
Oh, I mean, when you comment section now, you are wow.
Egbe wa go me. We have on go me gwan. Ona we advise you we. Ma egbe go na say step in ladian. Una see yen ni ha. Una see yen ni ha. O se ne kan na si go. Yo pa si we. Yo pa si we. Yo pa si we.
Esa Ghana yena wu. Esa Ghana yena wu. E ka pe ma be saga. Ala we ha we ni ye wu ni. Or stop or must stop. All pepper soup just or was Stevani.
Jeff, o good they kill you, Salwa. I block you.
Block, gay.
I block you.
Monetize in there. Yeah,
Usalua, you mad? You can't be stop insulting your fellow woman. Are you mad?
You know,
no see I want to see her. Because I do advise you. Why would she advise Enogie?
Me forgive her.
Why would she advise Enogie?
Because who
she be we go advise Enogie? Who she be? When me do life today, did I insult her?
2017, but you will make dinner. A babu ya ladian. Babu.
Don't go Guinea. Oh, go
Guinea. Oh, appreciate babu.
Very so annoying. A very near person.
A babu mani gbae. A school ya fair New York UK. A polyake no basha with yaw. Where making on one agmonario monoa. On agmoen way or your monway.
Why not be fair go play illicit video? Not that they play for there. For you to ever talk, say, oh, when the Murphy win at you, oh, when the Murphy wear, oh, where, me watch it for all the low. Oh, when the Murphy win at you, oh, when you go mweko you po. What salwa? I dare you, me you swear put. Me not be like you, where he have no stop your shower no go. I never ever settle down. I never ever know Enogie. When me stop also, when me dey also. I not be like you. Never one around a bank. Okay. No calling go to Facebook. You know the mama.
Oh no, yeah, we saw Galia. No.
I not be like you. It's just way for you to open mouth. For you to talk that rubbish. Okay, as people can say they sleep with the pie enemy wife. They really sleep with her. It's all about saga.
They're gonna walk me now.
Saga, tell me what he go pay you. Tell me what he go pay. Nice saga be.
My baby, my saga walking message. But I'm going to colladian do ya with saga.
How dare you? Wagazi, I'm Marian Waya. Who careva never care? Who can you? Where careva near?
Oh, doesn't never.
Your Vasabi is too much. Of Vasabi will book be la what dia?
He didn't. Echo better.
Oh, not Jonah, you don't have to do it as that. Okay, so go where the best you are. How dare you? Go on, who be the praise yesterday? Go on, maybe praise you know there.
You're going to have recourse. No more you are. And we pay bread price on it. Then we were just school say, then we were heavy say,
baby, no, not on that school. You use your mouth talking on that day when I was too strongly to write. You know, before I don't know how to write. Oh, a lot on that school. Now definitely she has to know because a lot. You can na English they speak. The way they speak German here. The way they speak German here. English here. Who come when but you might only echo. You might get some of it. True, what I yes, I remember now. I remember now.